Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Irma Prianti. I'm from Group 3. So, in this video, we are going to explain about compound complex sentence. The first discussion is the definition of compound complex sentence. So, compound complex sentence is a sentence that consists of two or more independent clauses and at least one dependent clause or subordinate clause.
So the next is the example of compound complex sentence. Although she worked hard to gain recognition, many people did not know who she was and her friends did not even appreciate her work. So the sentence has three clauses, two independent clauses and one dependent clause. Many people did not know who she was is independent clause, and is the connector, one of coordinate conjunction. Her friends did not even appreciate her work is independent clause too. So many people did not know who she was and her friends did not even appreciate her work is compound sentence. Although she worked hard to gain recognition is subclause, dependent clause, adverbial clause of contrast, complex sentence, right? So this sentence, the combination between compound sentence and complex sentence. That's why it's called compound complex sentence. And the next example, Jennifer calls Chris whenever she feels sad. He cheers her up. So the sentence also has three clauses, two independent clauses and one dependent clause. Jennifer calls Chris is independent clause. Whenever she feels sad is dependent clause, adverbial clause of time. He cheers her up is independent clause.
So the next is compound sentence with coordinating conjunctions. So clauses in compound sentence are usually connected by coordinate conjunctions. The conjunctions such as for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. And these conjunctions usually what we call fanboys. And if we want to use coordinating conjunctions in compound sentence, we need to put a comma before the conjunctions for the correct punctuations. And then the example is, I really need to go work, but I am too sick to drive. So we underlined the word but. Here's the word but is the conjunctions in this sentence. So the conjunctions that connected the sentence I really need to go work and sentence I am too sick to drive, they are connected by the conjunctions, the coordinating conjunctions, but. Okay.
So now we are moving to other conjunctions that we use in compound complex sentence, in building compound complex sentences. So these are subordinate conjunctions. Subordinate conjunctions. For example, at, after, although, when, while, because, before, until, if, since. They are subordinate conjunctions. They connecting unequal clauses. Jadi mereka menghubungkan klausa-klausa yang tidak setara. So, compound complex sentences use both coordinate conjunctions and subordinate conjunctions. Jadi, compound complex sentence itu menggunakan coordinate conjunction dia pakai, subordinate conjunction dia juga pakai. Kenapa? Karena namanya saja compound dan complex sentence. Compound itu minimal 2 independent clause. Jadi dua independent clause itu dihubungkan dengan coordinate conjunction seperti sebelumnya, pemateri sebelumnya menjelaskan. Dan dia juga complex sentence. Jadi kompleks itu kan cirinya kompleks itu minimal ada satu dependent clause. Jadi dia perlu subordinate conjunction. Jadi dia perlu conjunction that connecting unequal clauses, yang menghubungkan klausa yang tidak setara, yaitu independent sama dependent. So in compound complex sentence we must have two independent clause, so we can call it compound, and we must have minimal or at least one subordinate one dependent clause. Then we use subordinate to connect them. Jadi kita minimal punya dua, untuk membentuk compound complex sentence kan minimal dua independent clause, jadi kita perlu coordinate conjunction. Nah, dan minimal ada satu dependent clause, jadi kita bisa sebut complex sentence. Jadi kita perlu subordinates. So jadilah compound dan complex sentence, compound complex sentence that use both coordinate conjunction and subordinate conjunction. Anda bisa lihat sendiri di contoh ya kalau buat contohnya. Jadi ini gabungan antara antara compound dan complex sentence. Jadi kita memerlukan semua conjunction yang ada di compound kita bisa pakai untuk menghubungkan yang setara, dan kita memerlukan semua boleh digunakan dari conjunction yang digunakan oleh complex sentence untuk menghubungkan kalimat yang tidak setara. So that's from me, and I please you to continue this presentation with other presenter. Thank you so much.
Before, we have learned 3 types of sentence structure, and post the material today, so we have learned 4 types of sentence structure. The first is simple sentence. Simple sentence has just one independent clause. For example, Awan killed the cat. The second is compound sentence. Compound sentence has at least 2 independent clauses. For example, Aji went to the movie and he thought it was enjoyable. The third is complex sentence. Complex sentence has an independent clause and at least one dependent clause. For example, while she is doing her laundry, James is reading the novel. And the last is compound complex sentence. A compound complex sentence has at least 2 independent clauses and at least one dependent clause. For example, I stopped believing in Santa Claus when he asked for my autograph in a department store, but I still want to believe in him.